Hi everyone, it's Kev here, and this is the DJI Neo2 drone, which I've just recently purchased. And in a few moments I'll show you a video. I went out to our friend's farm just out of town here a week or so back, and made a bit of a video. Took my bike out, my e-bike, and rode the bike up and down the farm track and had a bit of a play with it. I've only just recently got it, so I'm still experimenting with it a little bit and trying it out. There's a lot of info and videos, hundreds of videos now on YouTube about the Neo2, so I'm not going to bore you with a whole lot of technical detail. The thing that I really like about it is that it responds to hand signals. You'll see me doing some hand signals in the video to move it around and make it go up and down. But I'm really looking forward to having some fun with this little fella. Hopefully to use it on the motorbike perhaps from time to time, but especially when I'm perhaps going for a walk or going somewhere on the e-bike. Yeah, great little device. Enjoy the video. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that, and I look forward to doing a bit more with this. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.